Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to clear formatting for elements in a Google drawing. So I've got this text box that I've been playing with in a number of videos now. It looks a lot better than it used to. If I select that text box, there's a bunch of formatting that I've applied, and if I don't like it or I want to reset it, I can go to the Format menu, and all the way down at the bottom, I can select Clear Formatting. But pay attention to what happens. The border is still there. The reflection is still there. The gradient fill is still there, but the text has all been set back to just a default font. So when you use clear formatting on something like this, it appears as if Google Drawings really only applies the clearing of the format to the text inside of the element itself, not necessarily the entire element, even though I think it's clear that there are some formatting options that were applied to the text box and not the text. For some reason, it only reset the formatting on the text itself, not the entire text box. Not really sure why that happened or why that is the case, where it doesn't just clear all the formatting and basically send everything back to defaults. But that is what will happen. Certain things will get changed back to the defaults, others will not. But if you want to quickly remove as much of the formatting as you can simply click on Clear Formatting.